ducklings, it's Miss Natasha and this is Chloe. Say hi, ducklings. So just want to start off saying that today was our first Zoom video chat, and although all of our ducklings didn't get to swim in today, just wanted to say that I hope you're all staying safe and that we miss you guys so much. Me and Miss Taylor can't wait to be back in our normal classroom environment. We have new toys. Our new classroom is ready and set up. It's so pretty and so cool. There's so many space for all of our ducklings to just play around. So I did get us a very special book, but before we do that, I do want to start with our favorite song that I know our ducklings class loves. So make sure you have your ears tuned in so we can all sing along, okay guys? Ready? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Yay! I hope you guys all sang along with Miss Natasha, because then Miss Natasha would get sad. Okay, so I did talk about a very special book, and that is because last Sunday we had a very special holiday. Can anyone tell me what it was? It was Easter. Does anyone know what that means? That means the Easter Bunny came to your house and brought you a very cool Easter basket, or maybe just something small, but the Easter Bunny was there, right? Okay, let's get started. It says, my Easter basket. Whoa. Easter Bunny's here today, hiding eggs. Hip, hip, hooray. There's the little bunny. Let's enjoy some color fun. Join the egg hunt, everyone. Ooh, let's see what this says. Help the lambs find 5 purple eggs just like this one. Can we find 5 eggs, ducklings? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good job, ducklings. And that color was purple. Okay, let's see. The ducklings are ready for the Easter egg dash. Find the eggs. Splish, splash, splash. Whoa, let's see. How many eggs is there? And remember, we're looking for the color yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job, ducklings. You found the color yellow. Let's see what's next. The puppies are ready. 1, 2, 3. Where are the eggs? Can you see? Oh my goodness. Look, they're outside in the backyard. Let's find